In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register with Remitly and start sending money overseas. To begin, go to the Play Store on your phone and search for Remitly. Once you find the app, tap Install and wait for the download to finish. This may take a moment, depending on your internet connection, so just give it a little time. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. As soon as the app opens, look for the option to create a new profile. Tap that, then sign up using your preferred email address. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the setup process. The app will guide you through the basic registration steps, so just read each screen carefully and continue as instructed. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, since this helps avoid problems later when you start sending money. Once your profile is set up, you can begin the process of sending money. At the top of the app, tap the country selector and choose the specific country you want to send money to. This is an important step because the available delivery and payment options can vary depending on the destination. After selecting the country, tap Send Money. The app will then move you to the recipient section. If the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts within the app, you can simply tap their name to continue. If they are not saved yet, choose the option to add a new contact, then select their country. After that, continue by entering the recipient's details as requested on the screen. Take your time here and double-check everything, because even a small mistake can delay the transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send. The app will usually show you helpful details like fees, exchange rates, or the amount the recipient is expected to receive, so review that information before moving forward. After entering the amount, select the delivery method. This determines how the recipient will receive the money, so choose the option that matches their needs. Then select your payment method and tap Continue. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's account details if required, and then follow the remaining prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Read each section carefully before confirming. Once everything is correct, you can proceed and finish your money transfer. That's it. You've now learned how to register with Remitly and start sending money overseas.